Hello, I'm Dr. Carney, and I'm going to give you this first video on how to make money online. Now, I'm not going to give you a fancy screen. I'm not going to give you a bunch of fancy words. I'm not going to do any of that. I'm just going to break it down step by step, move by move, so you can actually start making some money online. Now, I'm going to talk fast sometimes. Sometimes I'm going to talk slower. That's not the point. The point is I'm going to try to help you make money. Now, we've got to get you past that first time when you actually make money, or if you're making some money and you want to make more. So that's what this channel is all about. We're going to try to help you make money. April's going to help you. I'm going to help you. We're going to try to give you our insights. And we're not making $100,000 a month. I hate to tell you that. I'm not making $50,000 a month online. I'm just not. So if you're already making that, this is probably not going to be the right channel for you. So with that said, do I really want to do this? Well, maybe. So I'm going to talk to you about something that I love to do and something you should work on. You should work on doing direct mail. Direct mail. Now, this is a piece that I did for a doctor, and I sent it out to 100 podiatrists. And at the end of the journey, which was in Las Vegas, the gentleman, the one that hired me, was making over $111,000 per month with this one mailer. How did he do it online? He didn't, but it was a follow-up method to get him in the room. And then he taught them more about making money online. And that's what we're going to do here with this YouTube channel. Like I said, is we're going to try to break it down so you know that we can help you make money if you let us help set up your YouTube channel and drive you, become your accountability partner, so we can do all the posts for you on all the other social media. And that way you can make more money, because the more exposure you get, and it's not going to cost you a lot of money to get that exposure. That's the idea. So I'm going to take this little video, I'm going to upload it, I'm going to start this channel, and I want to welcome you. I'm Dr. Ivan Carney, and the other partner that I have is April Redbird. So get ready. It's going to be a journey. We're going to learn as we go, but I want to help you make more money online.